Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ahmed, and I am one of the senior account executives here at Zendesk, responsible for the Middle East. Thanks for your time today. I'm excited to talk with you all about how companies like yourself can tap into the incredible potential of AI for customer service and how we see AI revolutionize the customer experience in the coming years. Coupled with workforce engagement management tools available now native to Zendesk, you have a full 360 solution all in one interface. Today's agenda, I will be talking about Zendesk Advanced AI, Workforce Management AI Power Solutions, WFM and QA, followed by Erkan M. Yasser, Head of Consulting and Operations at Omni Factors, talking about how you can create a better experience using Zendesk through Omni Factors. We also have the honor today, we're supposed to have the honor today to have Lillian, the Customer Experience Manager at People, who will be talking to us about her experience with Zendesk, in particular, Zendesk Advanced AI. However, due to unforeseen circumstances, unfortunately, she will not be with us today. AI has launched us into the third wave of CX disruption. The first wave of customer service was analog. If you had an issue with a product, you would just go to the corner shop to get it fixed. And later on, you might troubleshoot your issue with someone working in a call center. With the second wave, we saw the rise of new devices like smartphones and customers wanting to use these devices to engage with services in the same way they talk to friends and family. Managing all of these channels meant reaching more customers, but also left companies struggling to keep up with the demand. In this third wave, AI changing everything. AI can handle a huge volume of interactions at once while acting like personalized concierge for each unique customer. So companies can achieve infinite scale with their customer service and predict and act on customers' needs to forge a lifelong relationships. Zendesk AI is accessible to anyone, built and trained on the best CX data and designed for the entire service experience. Meet Zendesk AI, AI that elevates every part of your service experience. Zendesk AI sits at the core of our offering, connecting and orchestrating every part of the service experience, from how you connect authentically with your customers, to how you effectively triage and route work, to how your agents get their work done efficiently and accurately, and how your admin analyze operational performance. AI-powered customer experiences. Autonomous AI agents that can resolve up to 80% of your customer interactions, a knowledge base that you can scale intelligently and automatically. Workforce automation, a powerful AI engine to identify intent, language, and sentiment, and then route and prioritize tickets intelligently, all from day one. AI-driven agent assistance, an agent co-pilot that proactively suggests the next step to your agents and takes action on their behalf, freeing up their time to focus on more complex tasks. Insights and analytics, AI-powered reporting to keep your admin on top of human and digital agent performance and suggest optimization. In summary, our advanced AI solution can unlock value for business like yours on three fronts: scaling self-service with 3x increase in bot deflection, agent productivity by increasing 10% higher productivity, intelligent workflows by saving 220 hours saved per month. We are building on the foundation of Zendesk AI and strengthening our commitment to infuse intelligence into every part of the service experience, from our knowledge base to bots to agents and admins. It will allow for more natural conversations and exceptionally accurate communications, resulting in a better customer experience. This is another really awesome capability for bots. Generative Replies uses knowledge from the customer's help center to quickly craft accurate conversational responses for end users, This capability is in partnership with OpenAI. Generative replies can help also businesses to, number one, improve deflection rate by expanding the range of accurately resolved requests with responses generated using their own help center, and save time by getting the bot up and running within seconds. And finally, it will also help for interactions to be more conversational with natural flow. Automate your customer experiences. Tame your repeat requests with Zendesk AI agents, which requires zero training to recognize and solve your customers' top issues. Get suggestions so you can add new replies using existing knowledge content with generative AI for knowledge. Quickly expand and enhance your knowledge content with AI using generative AI for knowledge and content cues. Summarize saves agents time, providing them a quick summary of all the ticket contents. They can understand what's going on much faster. It's particularly useful when a ticket gets when the ticket gets escalated or transferred from one agent to another. Expand, just like the name, it transforms a brief few words into a fully customer-ready response or a more polished internal note. And then tone shift, which can change how your message comes across in just one click. We know getting the most out of your investment is a top priority, especially when it comes to AI. To understand and quantify the benefits of Zendesk AI, Nucleus Research conducted a research and released an in-depth report. And guess what? Our customers are seeing real tangible results when applying AI to their business. Zendesk AI enables customers to automate their customer experience with powered AI agents and comprehensive knowledge base. This robust self-service experience has increased automated resolutions rates by 23%, allowing more routine tasks to be handled without involving human agents. This frees up agents to focus on more complex issues in terms of productivity. Zendesk AI has been a game changer. By providing a real-time guidance, pre-populated answers, and relevant customer context, Zendesk AI assists agents handle tickets 20% faster. That's not all. Zendesk AI significantly improves operational workflows by automating routine tasks such as manual triaging, routing, and escalations. This enables customer support teams to optimize their operations and focus on more complex, high-value interactions, resulting in a 15% increase in an admin productivity. Additionally, there was a 16% reduction in time to first response and 1.9-point increase in CSAT scores. One of the most compelling advantages of Zendesk AI is its ability to reduce operational costs by 10%. This significant cost savings is achieved by automating routine tasks, allowing human agents to focus on more value-added tasks without increasing headcounts. These benefits demonstrate the significant impact Zendesk AI can have on organizations looking to scale their support operations effectively at a cheaper cost. Now, just moving on to Zendesk Workforce Management. Zendesk Workforce Management is a Zendesk tool. Zendesk Workforce Management makes it simple for leaderships to measure agent activity and performance and to optimize agent staffing and allocation, all of which are critical for planning, boosting agent productivity, and managing costs. Zendesk WFM is the only WFM you can spin up in a minute to help businesses reach new efficiencies. And best of all, it's native to Zendesk, which means customers can turn it on and start using it immediately for fast forecasting, scheduling, reporting, and real-time analytics. There are four main customer pains that workforce management can help with. Number one is the lack of visibility into how agents are spending their time and how productive they are being. Inability to accurately forecast optimal staffing needs for agents in any given day or cycle. Manual and cumbersome tools to manage scheduling of agents in real time. And then finally, time-consuming and manual processes to gather and analyze workforce management data. With Zendesk WFM, you can enable managers and agents accountability and increase team productivity with real-time activity tracking and comprehensive reporting. Make admin tasks easier with predictive AI-powered forecasting and automatic agent scheduling based on your Zendesk data. Empower productive, happy agents and reduce agent churn. Reduce costs by reducing agent overstaffing, ensuring agent adherence, saving administrative time, reducing agent overtime expenses, and reducing agent turnover. So just to put that into context and just add some ROI into the workforce management or the usage of workforce management, our clients notice overtime reduction costs by 80%, improve team adherence by 35%, cut scheduling and forecasting time by 70%, increase team productivity by 18%, reduce labor costs by 7%, and finally improve team ideal time by 50%. AI is transforming customer service. Operational challenges are growing as change accelerates. Our customers want excellent service at every support touchpoint. With Zendesk, you are able to go beyond conversational QA by using AI to make continuous improvements more data-driven and scalable. Using Zendesk QA, you can automate quality checks to significantly reduce the time and cost involved in maintaining high-quality customer service. Benefit from automated quality checks. Every interaction is automatically analyzed and scored, ensuring consistent quality across human and AI agents, channels, and languages, reducing time spent on QA by 70%. Improve quality across agents and teams, spot knowledge gaps, and training opportunities that can be used to improve agent performance and bots morale. Be truly data-driven. Identify trends, see which agents are underperforming or which parts of the customer service experience are failing you. As a result, customers get a more consistent experience, which builds loyalty and long-term revenue. Up to 2.3% increase in CSAT in 1 year observed by one of our customers, Liberty, who also reported to us that up to 4% increase in IQS within the same year. Embracing Zendesk complete WEM solution is a strategic move that can revolutionize how companies approach their service operations. How do Zendesk QA and WFM fit together? The main value QA plus workforce management is it offers immense visibility and makes the best or most effective use of your team and operations. Some benefits gained via data from both QA and WFM, identify trends, improve operational processes, and make targeted improvements. With that, I will now hand over to Omni Factor team, Erkin, who will be talking to us about how you can create a better experience using Zendesk through Omni Factor. Thank you very much, guys, for your time.
So hello, everyone. My name is Erkin. I'm head of consultancy at Omni Factors. I'm going to give you information about Omni Factors and customized solutions that we provide. So Omni Factors is a technology solution provider focusing on CX platforms. We are located in Istanbul, and we are Zendesk partners since 2019, and we have offices in Dubai and United States. We have experience in retail, e-commerce, technology, healthcare, cryptocurrency markets, so on and so forth. So we are also an award-winning partner of Zendesk. So Zendesk is the #1 digital customer service tool according to Gartner. We are a Magic Quadrant leader. I just wanted to give you this information again. And as you know, developing technology increases the number of independent touch points in the ecosystem. So we have lots of channels, and definitely this makes modern customer service very complex and complicated. In order to give service to your customers, you may use different tools for different channels, which may make it really difficult to manage. So what Zendesk does, Zendesk is a great omni-channel platform that can integrate with all of these channels so that your agents will use the customer agent interface and just one screen for these channels. As Mahmoud mentioned, we have AI agents and ultimate chatbots that can be integrated to messaging channels. So you can also make API calls with your CRM and other tools to go give more information to your customers and reflect them with chatbots. If you don't have a chatbot or AI agent in the system, don't worry, your agent will have chance to give service to your customers with the help of Zendesk AI. So Copilot is a new feature will be coming in Zendesk platform, and you may also, as a manager or as a team leader, use workforce engagement management tools, which are for VM and quality management. So as a result, as you see, Zendesk is a central platform that you can also automate everything and create your own workflows where you can have all desired data and reports. As Omni Factors, we may help you with implementation, custom workflows, and setup, and we can help you with our third-party apps via OmniVoice. As Omni Factors, we are trying to improve your Zendesk usage. So in order to achieve this, we have an experienced professional team which will guide you through in Zendesk setup process by specializing and in a personalized approach. What we want is to make you to reach your goals by perfect measures, and we will support you proactively after the project ends. Services given by Omni Factors are, as I mentioned before, we are giving implementation services. In the first phases of the project, we will learn what you need, and also we will ask you for your feature plans in order to set Zendesk up in the best way. Our implementation service includes consultancy as well, and you will have a hybrid approach for project management. So consultancy is the key for our services because we are not just implementing or setting up Zendesk according to your current status. So we are also adding our experience and knowledge in all projects. We are also integrating Zendesk instance with other tools. As you see on the page, we have Jira, Slack, Zivo, Salesforce, Aircall, Shopify, and HubSpot, so on and so forth. These are native apps produced by these software companies, so we can integrate them directly with your Zendesk instance. And we have many other applications in Zendesk Marketplace like these. And in addition to these, as Omni Factors, we can do custom integrations with your own CRM tools or own softwares. For your reporting needs, Zendesk has a pre-built report system, but if you need customization in reporting, we can help you to create custom metrics, attributes, reports, and dashboards. Before going live, as OmniFactors, we will give you admin and agent training specialized for your instant and workflows because you have your own way of doing things. So we have just built a specialized service for you, and your agents will know what is done in your Zendesk account. So if you're a Zendesk customer, don't worry, we have other services like health check services. If you're a Zendesk customer and want to improve your Zendesk usage, we can help you to have a health check session. We will analyze and see what you need and how you are doing in Zendesk and how you are using Zendesk features. And we will suggest new ways, new features, or new custom integrations so that you will use Zendesk in a better way. So we have also Omni Factors maintenance package, monthly, quarterly, yearly packets, or you may have prepaid Monday effort packets and number of tickets, support-based tickets. These are the services given by Omni Factors. So we have so as Omni Factors, we have just created a new brand, and now we are producing Zendesk applications. OmniWise is a brand new Zendesk application developer founded by us, which will make your agents more productive and wiser. So you will save time and decrease cost by building effective workflows as well. You may visit the website as I shared on the slide. So, what is our project management strategy? We are doing all our projects in a hybrid methodology. So we will start with a waterfall and go on with the agile methodology. In the first phases, we will learn and understand, analyze what you want to do and your plans. So we will also plan the times with a waterfall methodology. Then when we start creating and setting up something, we will turn to agile and make daily or weekly meetings with you. Then we will test everything all together, and then if you admit, we will go live and close the project as well, and we will start our hypercare period. So this period is to monitor your system, and if anything you want to change, we will help with you. So through the whole project, our Omni Factors Zendesk expert team will guide you, and you will have a project manager as well with you, guiding you through all this way. So I would like to talk about, again, OmniWise. So OmniWise is a brand new Zendesk app producer. We are now producing Zendesk apps, and OmniWise is a new technical partner, by the way. So as OmniFactors, we gained experience, and through our customers' request and the custom workflows and some legal things just made us to gather much more experience and create some, let's say, new Zendesk apps. So we just wanted to create new apps for everyone. So we have 5 Zendesk apps in the marketplace, and you may visit omniwise.app to gather more information about these applications. I would recommend you Noticast and OmniSun to use if you're using Zendesk. OmniSun is for proactive Zendesk, proactive WhatsApp messaging and campaign management. So I would like to talk about Beymen Priviye and the reservation system. Beymen Priviye has many stores located in big cities of Turkey. As a VIP customer, you have a chance to reserve a room and time slot, and most importantly, a fashion expert at the store you wish to get help. So you may reserve and book a slot, a room, and a time slot, and a fashion expert in the store you wish to visit. and you just go and get the service. But this is all done by a backend system and integrated directly with Zendesk. So you can just manage all the next customer interactions in Zendesk. So what we done in Bayman Preview was getting reservations on Zendesk and then connecting and contacting with all customers via WhatsApp with proactive messaging system. In COVID times, we have integrated some of our customers with video call systems, especially Bayman Preview again and Teknosa. The most important one is Hepsi Burada. With Hepsi Burada, we have developed a custom call integration working with Zendesk classical web widget. Now it's an old system of Zendesk, but still being used by some of our customers. But if you wish to see how it works, you can go and check. I'm sharing this with you to show you what we are capable of actually. So this is Ultimate AI chatbot system, which is acquired by Zendesk last year. Ultimate AI has a new feature which generates answers integrating with third-party knowledge bases and websites with blogs and external files as well. As you see in the screen and in the slide, you can use web crawler and you can just import knowledge base articles. We have tried with this with Freshdesk, and in this example, Natural Clinic is a company in Turkey focusing on let's say beauty and plastic surgery, etc. So what we have done is just importing their website into Ultimate AI, and this website was including a blog so that Ultimate AI can generate answers from this blog. So if you want to check it, you can just go and check with the number I have shared. Especially this bot just checks for the website block and then generates an answer. So here in the example, as you see in my screen, where I just ask for the hair transplant and it just generates an answer from the website block, and it gave me an information. This is something new for the Ultimate AI site. You can also integrate with Zendesk knowledge base through AI agents. However, you can also integrate website and third-party knowledge bases with Ultimate AI. So these are the customers that we can share with you in our ecosystem in Turkey. And you may see many big companies. And these are the companies that are in Middle East and we are giving service to. So I just wait for your time to check. And that's all today. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day. So Ahmet?
Yes.
It's on you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. So yeah, so thanks everyone. So as I mentioned earlier, we were supposed to have Lillian on the call with us from People. Unfortunately, she couldn't just make it. So basically, we're probably gonna open. What do you think, Erkin? Shall we just open like the floor for any questions that might be coming from any participants? Yeah. Okay, so if anyone have any questions for Erkin or myself, please just feel free to ask. You can just type it on the chat, or I think it just can ask to be like raise your hand. You can ask to be unmuted, and then Damla will allow you to ask your question live.
Hello. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello. Wa alaikum salam. Hi, Rafij.
This is Rafish.
Hi.
Shahab, how are you?
I'm
Also,
very well. I'm very well. Nice to see you here.
yeah, okay. Actually, I'm working with your team. But actually, I'm facing one more thing, another project that I have a project for the call center, which I am working for the Zendesk Talk. But my concern is that when the Zendesk Talk, the number, that means we could not able to take the number in Saudi Arabia in Zendesk Talk. Also, I cannot able to call forward to my current customer service number in Saudi Arabia because there is a limitation for call forwarding. It is only inside the country allowed. So when I check with the Zendesk Talk, they are just advising me that we can use either in Dubai number or some other US number or something like that. Is there any solution we can able to provide that we can able to use my current customer service number in Zendesk Talk? You people is having any workaround solution?
But
So,
do you want to take this? Sorry. Or shall I? Yeah.
You can go if you have knowledge, but I need to just check for the Saudi Arabia. So I
Sure.
put the question, by the way,
Sure.
but
So
if you have
yeah.
any.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you. So Rafish, as you are aware, and to be honest, it's not limitation on the Zendesk side or the technology side. It's more of the country legislation. So I would say, like in the Middle East, generally speaking, Zendesk Talk doesn't work. As I mentioned, just for legislation reasons. So what we tend to do is that we always work with a third-party provider. So these are like it could be companies like Zevo, like Maxim or 3CX. So they all can provide you with the talk service. So I think what they tend to do, they just have like contracts with local providers in respective countries, and they manage to run their operations this way. To my knowledge, you might be able to get like a free number on Zendesk, but again, it's probably subject to different countries and different regulations. But by all means, we can take this offline. If there's a ticket, please, share it with me. We can maybe just look into it internally, or again, if like Erkin and his team is helping you, by all means, also get them involved, and we can just liaise behind the scene.
Okay, no problem. I will be in
share it.
communicating with you.
Yes.
If you can share it with us also, we will check.
Okay,
Rafish.
no
Okay?
problem.
Absolutely, yeah.
Thank you, Erkin.
No worries.
So do we have another question?
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Anil.
Yeah, my name is Thomas. I am basically in Saudi Arabia. Currently, I'm in India. I'm attending from India, and I do my business in Saudi Arabia. We are IT enabler, and we have stationed in Jubail, where there is a lot of petrochemical companies, and they do have the help desk activities, like SSRs and things like that, through call centers and through system as well. Okay. So I wanted to see if I approach any petrochemical company, big companies like around 2,000 people. So how I can introduce myself as a Zendesk representative, where I can, innovate, their current activities, help us into an AI enabled to Zendesk. How can I initiate a project A to Z? From where I had to start off, and how you can help me in that respect. Hello?
Yes, we listen, Thomas. Yeah.
Yeah. Hope you heard what I was translating. Yes. Can I hear from you?
Sure. So, I mean, just to get this question right, so are you looking to maybe introduce Zendesk ticketing system into your company, or are you referring to be more of like a partner to Zendesk?
Yeah, as a partner, because as I said, I'm an IT enabler, and I had almost more than 20 years of experience in the petrochemical industry. I was in the,
Sure.
like in Jubail, the complex there. So now I'm no more with them, but I'm an IT enabler. We have a company, our own. We call it Elfray in Saudi Arabia. So we are IT enabler, as I said. So we wanted to introduce your product, as a as in place of other their current activities. It's all like you said. This help desk is like analog to digital, digital to AI. So how I can introduce this product, to those petrochemical companies where we have massive workforce.
Right. So if you were, and again, you can reach out to me directly after this call, or if you just go to the Zendesk website, there is like a partner scheme. So you can read all about it. There's like a simple application. You just need to fill in a simple form. You just need to fill in. And again, there's like few different types of partnership that you can sort of establish with Zendesk, from like just being a reseller to maybe like more of implementation partner. So there's like really a few different ways you can do business with Zendesk. And again, it would be down to like yourself and your team and how you wish to conduct that business with Zendesk, or that, establish that relationship with Zendesk.
Okay. So as I understood, Zendesk create a help desk activities for the companies, right?
Yes, it's an Omni Factors solution. So basically, the whole idea is you connect all your communication channels within one single platform, and that's Zendesk. And as I just mentioned, and as Erkan reiterated on his presentation, to be honest, with like the power of AI, you just now have like a 360 solution all in one place. That's from managing your tickets to like just managing your staff, to also like quality assurance, or like quality control, all like the issues that have been raised to your company.
Okay. I am posting my email here. Okay. We can,
Sure.
yeah. Yep. Okay. Thank you very much for my answer, giving me the correct answer. And we look forward to do, alignment and collaboration with you. Okay. So I am putting my email over here. Okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you. And I can also see a question from Nizar. Hi, Nizar. I mean, do you want to like unmute yourself and just explain a little bit more about your question? Hi, Nizar. Nice to see you here.
Hi, Ahmed. How are you?
I'm very well. Nice to see you on here.
Thank you. And thank you for the presentation. I have one question regarding the QA.
Sure.
You said QA, with the help of AI, can help managers or leaders evaluate tickets. And my question regarding that, how does AI evaluate tickets? How does it search for mistakes? How does it say that this ticket lacks, for example, knowledge, is incomplete? I know that it can test or check for tone, for tone, or for example, if the communication was friendly or unfriendly. But in terms of knowledge, how does it check if the information are correct or not? Is it only related to the help center, or does it check for previous tickets on Zendesk?
So first of all, thanks for the question, Nizar. So to my knowledge, it's all based on certain filters and criteria. I mean, some of them are or do come like as a default, on the system, but they also allow you to add your own criteria. When it comes to like, specific knowledge, I probably just have to double check that if there's any certain extra filters or any extra criteria that we just need to add. And again, Erkan, if you got any more information around this specific part, please just, chip in and help us with this question.
Actually, I have the same knowledge with you, and we need to check the AI capabilities of QA. and give more information.
Absolutely. So, I mean, I can get back to you, Nizar, like on a separate note here, like around, because my understanding, you probably, get that, like the bigger picture and the idea, but I think your question is particularly around the technical issues. So let's say I give like an answer, I was very polite, I was, very nice, so that the AI will score everything like as a spot on, but I mean, I could have still given the wrong information here or the wrong technical advice. I think this is what you're referring to, right?
Yeah, because I tried
Yes.
the free trial of QA. For now, I do that manually. So for the
Right.
future, how can I trust the AI QA to evaluate
Right.
tickets, and so that I don't need to check up or follow up on tickets after the AI?
Yes, that makes sense. Yeah, let me just dig a little bit deeper into that and get back to you within the course of today, tomorrow maximum.
Okay, thank you, Ahmad.
No worries. Nice to have you here. Any more questions from any other participants? Thomas, do you have another question, or you just?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Can you listen to me?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Yeah. Great. In terms of the pricing for this product, is there any kind of or is there a different call, or you can give me, the invariants about the price tags for this product?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, to be honest, again, I'm more than happy to share with you like a link. It's a live link on our website that just gives you the breadth of all the different packages and what they include. I mean, there's some features that come as standard, some others come as an add-on, but I think let me share with you like that link after this call, and that will give you just a better idea on the pricing and the capabilities attached to each package.
Yeah, excellent. I have already shared my email, so let us connect the line after this call. Okay. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. I really appreciate for your presentation and giving you in-depth about this particular services, which is definitely help many companies, and we ensure and assure that we as IT enabler as Alpha company in Saudi Arabia will have a collaboration in the time to come. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Any other questions from any other participants? I guess we still got some time. Hi, Salman.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
Yes, I just want to inquire about the robot services that it could be involved at the inventory or the warehouses, where we can know what is the out of stock and what is the the availability of the products. If we have like an omni-channels inventory from multi-brand, so how we can use the robot service to to update the dashboard about the product availability on the website.
Are you referring to maybe when let's say a customer is trying to purchase something, or like raising a question around a specific availability of SKU, and like how, let's say, the chatbot will interact with that and just maybe inform your customer that, sorry, this is out of stock for now? Or yeah, okay. I think, Erkin, would you like to take this, or would you like me to touch on that?
For the AI agents or for Ultimate AI, you may use, let's say, API calls, and you need to talk with your IT services or IT team or technology solution provider that about the warehouse. So we can integrate directly with API calls to your system and gather the information about that product. If needed, if customers just knows what's he looking for, and he can share the information about the, let's say, product code or something like that, we can directly take this information and ask your system if this product is available or not in your warehouse, or if it's in stock. So according to your response or your warehouse software system response, the chatbot will give answer directly to the customer. If you have no AI bots or ultimate bots, we can have Zendesk apps inside, and when the customer reaches to your agents, the agents will have chance to send this query to your system again with applications that you can customly create, or some if you are using a, let's say, software that can integrate, that has native integration with Zendesk, you can also use this application. So in the screen, the agent will see on the right top of the screen about the warehouse stock situation, and then he can or she can give information to the customer directly according to your warehouse stock queries. Is that clear?
Yeah, and the duration for this, the whole process, is it in seconds or live in hours? How's the interval wise for this
the integration part or the questioning the system from API call? Can I make it clear? The integration part will take time. If your IT team has a service or can give us the information about the query that we are going to make in webhook or API call, so it will take maximum 2 days, 3 days to test. But in a chatbot, you need to have a workflow or a chat flow. So you need to ask questions to customers to gather information, and then according to this information, you will ask your system. So it will take approximately 3 or 4 days time only for this, let's say, job. So we need to integrate, test API calls and check if the results are correct. And then we can go live with the AI bots. However, for the application side, we will need 2 days because applications are easy to implement in Zendesk screen. So we will just need to get your service from your site that will give us the warehouse information of that product, and we can just go and develop it in 2 days time, test it, and then integrate it to your Zendesk account easily. But the queries will take less than 10 seconds or less than 5 seconds if everything is all right with your web service.
Wow, very impressive. Thank you so much. How we can make business with this AI for your Zendesk services? Should I pass my email?
Yeah, yes, you can share your email with Ahmed and with us also, so we can help you through. But we have to listen what you need in a deep dive, so we will come with the best solution.
All right. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Any more questions? I think we still got a few minutes. Anyone wants to take advantage of those few minutes and want to ask very last question? All right. So I think everybody's satisfied, and I think we should just leave it there, Arkin and team.
Okay.
Yeah. So thank you very much for everyone participation today, and thanks Omni Factor, and thanks Damla, thanks everyone, and yeah, we'll see you soon.
Thank you, everyone.
Thanks all. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.